Hello, good day. My name is Ruji Gaming. This is my presentation, Excel. So we are going to do um my computation of my selling. So my selling is Samsung CP selling. So my consumption, this table provide the initial value needs to perform all the calculation that those sold such as the cost per divide. So selling price divide and customer growth rate are the conjunction into the model. So so the revenue table, this is section calculates the income from divide sales. So customers, the number of customers for each month is calculated by applying customers growth rate from assumption table. Month 1 start with the initial customer 35 months in is calculate as 1 month calculate multiply by 1 plus customer growth rate as so on. So revenue from device sales. This is the total revenue. It's calculated by multiplying the number of customers for the month by the selling price per device from the consumption table. So cost table, the this is telling all the business experience device for the cost. This is the cost of buying the device. It is calculated by multiplying the number, the customers from the month by the cost per device from the consumption table. So experience the present fixed monthly operating cost give in the consumption table the value remaining constant each month. So marketing, this is the cost of marketing of effort. It's calculated by multiplying the revenue from device sales from the monthly by marketing rate from the consumption tables. Total total cost in this the sum of experience, the month's device uh device cost plus expenses plus marketing. Yan. So profit table naman tayo. So this is the section derivative, the business probability. So net profit, this is the profit from the current month. It's calculated by subtraction and total cost from the revenue for device sales from the month. So cum- cumulative profit, this is the running total of net profit uh, what first of month. Cumulative profit is equal to net profit from the month from the sub-question month. It's calculate by adding the current month net profit to the previous month calculated profit. Again, this is my um, total revenue of my profit business. So again, thank you for watching. My name is Rob G. Gaming. Bye bye.